All right, guys, check it out. You're looking at flipping cars. This is someone who made this post right here, and basically they want to know about floor plans. They're looking at next gear capital. They're horrible. So any which way, let's get out of there because I don't want to blow this guy up too much. That's a good group of you guys are in there. I'm in there. So floor plans. Let's talk about them real quick. So what I did to get my floor plans, I have two of them. I have AFC and Carbucks. They work great for me and what I'm doing. AFC has so many different floor plans, even rental floor plans. Give them a call, talk to them, figure out what they have, what suits you the best. If you're a guy that does Copart, IAI, they have a floor plan tailored for you. The one that I have covers everything. It's a universal floor plan that I can use for any car, anywhere, anytime. It's what works best for me. If I'm in the mood to buy a salvage title car one day, that's what I'm going to do. I don't want to be held back. If I want to buy an in-op, that's what I'm going to do. If I want to buy Frontline Ready, that's what I'm going to do. So I don't need handcuffs. I'm using your money, not because I don't have money. I'm using your money because it's super convenient for me. But I don't want to be handcuffed for doing it. So any which way, here's what I did, and I suggest you guys do the same. Let's just say you're buying units, and your units are about $10,000. When I say unit, that's your car. You're going to buy cars from the auction for about 10 grand. These reps get paid to give you an account. They get paid when you put your cars on their floor plan. It might not be a lot of money, but it is some money and everything adds up, right? All right, so here we go. What I did was I had them all in my office at different times, of course, and I said to them, hey, I'm going to be buying cars at $10,000. I need to know what my all-in number is. Do not let them be slick to you. You want to know everything, your interest. Curtailment. Understand curtailment comes off of the principal, okay? So that's not actually a fee. That's a payment you're going to make to pay down the debt you owe. So exclude that one. You want to know your interest, your insurance. For instance, AFC and Xgear offer insurance, a VIP program it's called. So you'll pay insurance on every car you have. So if something happens to that car, you don't have to use your insurance. Okay, I like that. Me personally, I like that. So I wouldn't add insurance to it. I take that back because that's something I'm adding to protect myself. So you want to know your interest, your payments, how much it costs to ship the title, everything. I want to know every single fee, every cent. What does it cost for me on day 30? If I pay the car off at day 30, what's it going to cost? If I pay the car off day 60, what's it going to cost? If I pay the car off at day 90, what's it going to cost? If you guys are holding cars past 90 days, you should probably just go to your bank account, pay them off, and then just put them on your lot and stop losing money on the car. Just pay it off and then sell it whenever you can, whatever. It's not a big deal. They're going to hit you with a bunch of numbers. You also need to know your turnaround time. For instance, next year, they have a heavy fee up front. Let's just say it's $100 just to put the car on the floor plan. If you're a person who sells your car within 30 days, why would you want to spend $100 when you can go to AFC that charges you $30? Carbucks, for instance, the minimum, because they have I think it's a 60, 120, 180, 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90. And those are all different days that I just spit out to you. Anyway, I think theirs is like a minimum of $35 all the way up to whatever the dollar amount is. I could do a more in-depth video on that. But you want to know, if you're selling cars quick, you don't want it to be upfront heavy. You want it to be upfront light. So if I'm selling cars within 30 days, I'm going to say, okay, AFC's $30. Carbucks is $35. Carbucks to $35 includes, my interest and everything else. AFC is 30 plus interest, right? So however you're moving your units, you really want to figure it out. I use Carbucks a lot because I'm lazy. So if I buy a bunch of cars at the auction and I have to go and send them wires, it's like $25, $35 a wire. So, and then I have to wait for it to go through. It's a pain in the ass. So I'll just spend the extra money and I'll do the Carbucks thing. Not a big deal. But for me personally, advice to you guys, I'm sorry, this is a long video just to say this. Figure out how much you're going to spend on a car, average. When they come into your office and they want to sell you on the floor plan, you tell them, here's what I need to know. I need to know, what am I going to be all in at day 30 at day 60 and day 90. They like to tell you interest only, but they don't tell you the other things, like what it costs to put the car on the plan. What does it cost to ship my title? Well, you know, if you're a person who does wholesale, you won't get paid from the auction until you present the title. How much does it cost me to get the title if I haven't paid for the car yet? So that means they're going to send you the title. You're going to bring it to the auction. The auction's going to give you a check. You're going to cash the check, and then you're going to pay off the floor plan. What is the fee for that? One nice thing about NextGear, if you're using Manheim, NextGear, because they're owned by Manheim, well, the Cox Corporation, what they'll do is they will do it for you. So if you bought the car, okay, they'll pay for it. They have the title. You wholesale it through Manheim. They will then take care of all the stuff for you. They will give the title to them. They'll collect your money. And let's just say you bought a car for 10 grand. You sold it wholesale at the auction for 12,000. Manheim will write NextGear your check, right? They'll say, okay, here's 12,000, and then NextGear will ACH you your profit, which is 2 grand. So that was one added bonus for them for NextGear, is that they're involved with the the Manheim family, which is really nice. It is convenient, but if you're not really wholesaling through Manheim like that, then I wouldn't really fuck with them. Anyway, guys, I hope this video finds you good health, making money. Moving dealerships today, moving to a larger location. I'll show you guys.